Checking your transaction history on Revolut is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access and review your past transactions. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account with your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the Accounts tab. Once you are in the app, locate and tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. This section displays your various accounts and balances. Step 3. Select the account. Choose a specific account for which you want to check the transaction history. This could be your main account or any other currency account you have set up. Step 4. Access transaction history. After selecting the account, scroll down to find the transaction history. You will see a list of all recent transactions, including details such as amounts, dates, and merchant names. Step 5. Filter or search transactions. If you want to find specific transactions, use the filter or search options available in the transaction history section. You can filter by date range or search for specific keywords related to the transaction. You can now easily monitor your spending and keep track of your finances. Regularly checking your transaction history can help you manage your budget effectively.